Hello guys, I am Umair Nazim and welcome to Let's Code. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what is ChatGPT and how to use it. So the first thing is, what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that works like you can say a human. It's a game changer, you can say. A lot of people, they are using in different fields. You can use it in any of the field, okay? Not just in a programming or computer field. So enough talking. I think now I have to show you how to use ChatGPT. Okay, so to use ChatGPT, first you have to come to the browser and then you have to write here like chat.openai.com. After that, click enter, and here you can see this page. So that is so here you can see we have the login button and we have the sign up button. So if you are a new user, then you have to create an account. But if you have already an account here on the ChatGPT, then you can click on the login. So let me just click on the sign up here. But actually I am already a user, so that's why but for you, just I'm showing to you. So here you have some options. Either you can create an account by using your already existed Google account. Either you can do it by using the Microsoft account, or if you are an Apple user, then you can create you can say like integrate your Apple account also. So here, as you can see, I have written my email, so I can just click on the continue here. So here you have to enter your password, and after that you can click on the continue. But as I said that like I have already an account, so I will simply click on the login here, and here is my email. So I will continue, and here I have already the password, so I can just continue here. So so here, as you can see, that is the home screen, you can say. So here we have a new chat option. So by simply clicking on it, we can come to this page again. Here we have some options, like two options. One is ChatGPT 3.5 and one is ChatGPT 4. So actually ChatGPT 3.5 is a free variant, and it is like the first variant that the ChatGPT released. Now we have other option, that is ChatGPT 4. So basically ChatGPT 4 is an updated variant, and also it is, I think, the currently the most updated variant. So if you want to use ChatGPT 4, so it is not free, so you have to pay them. But ChatGPT 3.5 is totally free. So that's why I recommend you to use ChatGPT 3.5. But if you have some more money, so of course you can go to ChatGPT 4. Now here, whatever you will write, so ChatGPT will create some dialogues for. So ChatGPT works similar like this. So it creates a conversational dialogue like a human. So let me give you an example here. So if I write how to sort an array in Java. So I have written like this. So as you can see, now it is creating a dialogue. So it will a kind like a teacher, for example. So it will teach you in a very good way. So here you can see, we can find the description. So you can sort array in Java using various methods and sorting algorithms. So here, this one is the first method that they have used. So now the second method here you can see. So also they have as you can see, they have also written the comments here, so to give you some more explanation. So this is the third way. So you can say like it is very helpful for especially the users and like the students. I mean, for the workers, they are working in an industry. So let me give you one more example here. For example, if I want to apply some job in a company, so I can tell the scenario to the ChatGPT and it will create an email for me. So let's suppose here I can write, I want to apply as an Android developer in Google. Can you write email for me? Email for me. So let's see what ChatGPT will write here. So as you can see, now ChatGPT is generating a full structure for me, like how can I write an email. So simply you can just copy and paste from this one, and you can send it to the like a Google team or something, whatever you want to do some changing you can do. But a very important thing that now I am going to share with you is ChatGPT actually it is an AI tool. It is not a human. So in very rare cases, ChatGPT can give you some wrong answers also. So like you can say, not 100% it can give you the correct solution every time, but mostly it gives you the correct solution. So like I have some friends during their exams, they were taking a lot of help from ChatGPT, but sometimes when they copy and paste their multiple choice questions, so ChatGPT give them a wrong answers also, but most of the time it give the correct solutions. I mean to say that, like, do not depend 100% on ChatGPT. In some cases you must have to do some research on the Google. If you have some you can say like a basic example or something, a basic project, ChatGPT can do it. But if you have a very complex example, like a very lengthy code and a very lengthy descriptions, so maybe ChatGPT cannot help you in this scenario. So that is the basic process, like how the ChatGPT works. So I will create one more video related to some different technologies other than ChatGPT. We have like Google Bard, and we have some other tools also. So I will create some videos on it. Okay, take care, bye bye.